Hello, hello, hello.
Hello.
Welcome to another episode of Fun Swahili or Nighttime Swahili with Habari zenu. How are you? Hi fresh kids. We are back to school, so everything has to be chop. I don't even think this video is gonna be 10 minutes. What do you guys think about that? Yeah, well, we might make it 5. Now, let's see how quickly we can do some stuff. Fresh kids, how are you doing? How is school? I hope, again, everybody is doing well. I hope school is going well. Did you say your name? Fresh?
Yes, I said it.
You did?
Yeah, we both did.
Quick.
We already said it.
So let's say it again, quick.
No.
7, mommy. All right. So I want us to cover a couple of things real quick like this, and then talk about something exciting. All right. So greetings. Who remembers the greetings? We haven't covered those in a while. Habari gani? What does habari gani mean? It means
How are you?
How are you? What about jambo? What does jambo mean?
Jambo.
Means hello. And how do you respond to jambo? You say si. Si jambo. Good job. And how do you introduce yourself? Introduce yourself and say, my name is, I am X years old and I go to this school. Quick.
My name is.
Jina langu ni. Quick. Go ahead. Naenda. Is that what you're learning in hesabu? Okay, perfect. Now, unaenda shule gani? Okay. Go ahead, kid. No, you start with my name is, so you say G.
Alligator. Jina langu ni Aki.
Uko na miaka?
Niko na miaka Aki.
Continue. And then unaenda shule gani? Nina.
Ninaenda shule Foxborough.
Oh, I thought it was gonna be Aki.
Foxborough Aki.
Awesome. All right, some quick words here, real quick. We are doing fantastic. Let's see if we can pull this off. Okay, ready? Just again, refresher of the words. What is morning?
Afternoon.
What is afternoon? Afternoon. Hapana. Mchana. Good job. Evening. Jioni. What's night? Good job. You guys are on track. What's today? Leo. What's kesho?
Tomorrow.
What's yesterday?
Jana.
What is day? I apologize. It wasn't intentional. What is day? Siku. What is week? 11 unaangalia. What is month? What is year? Bado unaangalia. What is now? The other one. Sasa. Good job. What's lost? Poteza. What is find? Pa?
Pata.
Good job. What's look for? Look for. Tafuta. Good job. What's cover? Okay, I'm gonna let you choose. I really wanna move quickly. Cover is? What is uncover? Pull. Push. Okay, vuta. No, usifanye hivyo. Don't do that. What is cover? What's cover? Funika. What is uncover? What is pull? Push. What is build? What is tear down? What's enough? Enough. Enough is?
Tosha.
Good job. Okay, what is divide? Gawanya. What is think? Fikiria. What is sad? Huzuni. Afraid. Respect. watching, keep learning with us. You just need to spend a few minutes and you are going to learn Swahili. So Fiona, after watching this video, practice introducing yourself, practice the Swahili greetings, and practice some of those common words. Alright, fresh kids, fresh Fiona, fresh kids. Sawa, sawa. Alright, so we have some news. We have we have a new
book.
Let's do that again. Okay, so we have some news. Alright, we
have a
new
book.
Do that again. Awesome. So we have a new Swahili book called My Fun Swahili Book of Things B2. Yes, we have a new book. It's going to be hitting the the waves very soon. We got the whatever
Get it on
copy.
Walmart.
Not yet. So it's coming. It's gonna be
you put it on
exciting.
Walmart too.
Once you put it there, then it starts
Walmart
happening.
takes it.
Right. So there's all sorts of stuff that we'll be covering in this book. It's gonna be a fun book. It's called, what is the name of the book? My Fun Swahili Book of Things. The camera is usually weird, so whatever. So My Fun Swahili Book of Things. Look out for that book very, very soon to a store near you called Ama.
No, it's an online store now. You don't get no.
Wait, come back. Get over here.
What?
Get over here. Alright, come here so that we can say Swahili to the fresh kids.
Well, Brian Mountain.
So again, look out for that book, the My Fun Swahili Book of Things V2. The idea behind this book is to introduce you to as many things in Swahili as possible. Common things around you in the house. We even have time, days of the week, months of the year, even some animals, all sorts of cool stuff so that you can learn your Swahili really quickly. Alright guys, that's it. Asanteni sana. And we managed to finish before the 10 minutes. Say kwaheri. Alright, and don't forget to subscribe. That way you can be notified when we have they can't even hear you because they can't hear you because you're not even there. Say that.
And those notifications.
Thank you so much.
Bye.